Good morning. It's Sunday, May 31st, or as I like to say, the 31st. Anyway, it's a few minutes after 9 o'clock. I put this up on the lift, and I'm going to do some more stripping and a wiring and a wiring and a stripping. And there goes a Harley Ferguson. And I've still got a huge parts order outstanding. So hopefully I'll get that Monday or Tuesday and start putting bike parts onto the bike rather than taking parts off of the bike. So right now he needs new coils, 6-volt coils, or I happen to have this that I inherited from somebody. People give me things. This is a really nice, expensive dual point or dual coil spark plug. Dual coil. It's a dual coil. Handles 2 plugs. Dual ignition coil. And I can make a bracket and put it right there very nicely. And I'll ask the client if he wants the originality of the twin coils, or if I make him a deal for the price of 1 coil to put this on here. That'll be just fine. Nestle down here won't be in the way. That's a nice coil too. A nice bracket I can make work. Right now I just stripped the wires off of the taillight assembly of this thing because they were just a mess. So I'm going to make a new taillight cable right away, and I'm going to include a red ground wire that I will solder to the inside here, so it's directly grounded by wire, and run the wires under the fender instead of down the frame. They were all taped on here, so we'll do that. I'll make it a little nicer. Anyway, yes. Okay, then I'm going to just go ahead and wire these bundles together and run the wires down to the brake switch, and that will complete the wiring effort for the moment until I get up in the front of the bike and see what has to go on up here. Okay, so that's where we are. All right, so what I did is I drilled a hole through the backing plate and soldered a ground wire to the steel body of the lamp assembly. This is aluminum, you can't solder to that. But inside the bulb socket itself is actually steel. And I soldered this red wire to it. Brought it out here with the other 2 existing wires. This is where I'm going to put these together and run them through the hole in the fender, underneath the fender, and up to the connectors at the center there. So that's what I'm doing now. All right, well it's, what is it? It's, oh my. It's noon, and the wiring system is pretty well complete now back here. These wires are going to go to the battery and to the charge system and to the front of the bike. And then there'll also be some wires here for the ignition system as soon as I receive it and plug it in. And then the wires down here are for this brake switch, and I will cut them to length and connect them once I prove that this switch does work. Okay, so that's where I am. I got the wiring all thunked out and hooked up, and it's looking pretty good. So Kevin came over and he took the that nasty old clutch cable out, so that's gone. And what did he do over here? Oh, he took the whole throttle apart and took the cables out. That helped. And oh, he took the whole cover off over here so we can put the ignition system in here. And eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's where we are. So we had a pretty good morning. A client coming by to pick up the Black Norton, and hopefully that'll go out smoothly. And see how what I want to do for the rest of this Sunday. Well, it is 135, 140. Sold. About 140. The desk is cleaned up and the wires are all complete other than the ones that go to the battery. And I even have the wire down here for the brake switch, of which I have over here. I opened it up, cleaned the contacts, put it back together with epoxy, and I'm going to let this sit overnight, and tomorrow I'll be able to put it back and it works just fine, thank you. So that was a good day. I got a lot accomplished, and like I said before, Kevin came down and helped strip out the controls, the cables. So things are happening, but right now it's like I say, right now 20 to 2 or so, and I'm hot, I'm tired. The Black Norton went home, so that's nice. This black BSA is ready to go home. This is ready to go home, and hopefully in the next Tuesday, Wednesday, if I pick up that cover on Monday, I can get this one ready to go home. So I'm making some progress and making some space.